Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to make money using Studypool working from home. There are a lot of people making thousands of dollars on Studypool every single month. If you want to learn exactly how they do it and how you can do the same, watch this video until the end and follow every single step I'm about to show you. So the main idea of Studypool is that there are two main ways to make money. The first one is to sell documents. So as you can see here, sell docs or becoming a tutor like this, become a tutor. Both methods are completely profitable and I'll walk you through each one step by step. So, first thing, how to sell documents on Studypool. You just have to go to the Sell Docs button here and then you will have to click on Start Selling Documents Now. So, Studypool is an online platform designed to help students with homework and improve their grades. They cover everything, math, science, business, and pretty much every subject, right? So when you go to the sell documents section, as I am right now, you will see that Studypool allows you to earn money simply by uploading useful study materials. They claim you can earn up to $5,000 a month. So here's how it works. First, you upload a document, then Studypool reviews it and approves it eventually. Then students view your document and you earn money. You get up to $10 every time a student views your document, and Studypool works on a subscription model, so you're basically getting a share of the subscription every time someone opens your upload. You can even check out the top earners. For example, someone named D. Roger just earned $78,000. Another one, Ryan Top Tutor, earned $72,662. So, yeah, they earned pretty much a lot of money from just documents. So, here's how you can start. First, click on Start Selling Documents Now, and then create an account. You can sign in with Google, it is better. Here, accept the terms of service and check this checkbox. Click on I agree. To upload, click Sell Docs in the top right corner. So here you will see this dollar sign, click on it. Then you will have here to upload more files. So click on it and then just choose your file. Here I just have memes, so I can't really upload it, right? But if I have a PDF file, then I might just upload it on this page. So what kind of documents should you upload? Here are four types that work extremely well. First, quiz and exam prep. So practice tests, study guides, exam prep material, anything that students use to study. Example, if you have a practice algebra test from school, upload it with a clear name like Algebra Practice Chapter 3. Next, you can have old assignments, past homework, reports, papers, presentations. Even if you think it's not valuable, students with subscriptions can still view it. Third, class notes. Detailed notes from your lectures can help other students understand difficult concepts. And fourth, any language, so you can upload documents in any language from any country. To upload something, as I said earlier, you can just click on Upload More Files, select your document, confirm, and Studypool will review it. If it gets approved, you can give it a title and publish it. You can also see which documents are approved and which are declined. Now, for a pro tip, you can just upload some strong searchable titles like SEO friendly, etc. Make sure your titles match what students search. Example, class notes, intro to microeconomics, or something like that. Students can find your documents by browsing subjects or searching for resources. When they view your document, you get paid up to $10 per view. So, yeah, you earn a lot of money just by doing that. Next, you can become a tutor. So, let's go on the Become a Tutor section here. So, the become a tutor method is for many people the best method. So, you just have to click on become a tutor here and you will see the benefits. So, first, low service fees. You will have only 20%. Then, reliable income because you will have some students that will come back to you. Next, you have total freedom and flexibility because you are the teacher, so you do whatever you want. Now, how to become a tutor? Just click on apply right now, right here. It takes only 30 minutes. So just read the instructions and acknowledge them. So click on start your application now and then click on start application. It's very easy. You will have to just fill out your details and then which school you went to, what is your degree, etc. So it's very easy. You will have to save and continue through the final steps. Prove your knowledge in the subjects that you want to tutor. As a tutor, you will answer student questions. For example, if someone asks for a specific Excel question, Studypool matches them with a tutor who can help, who is very proficient with Excel. When you provide a high quality answer, you get paid. Most questions pay between $5 and $10, but some go all the way up to $40. You can browse recent questions, like someone asking for the imperfect tense in Spanish, it pays $5, etc. So a lot of things. You can also answer to a detailed engineering question, which is the highest paying one. It's like $40 for a single question, so yeah, it pays a lot. And if you click on the question, you will see exactly what the student is asking for and how much they are asking for this answer, basically. So what you have to know is a good answers equal you get paid. So that's all you have to know, really. And if you are experienced in any subject like psychology, math, engineering, languages, business, you can earn up to $7,500 per month just by answering questions. And most questions take around 15 minutes if you know the topic well. So do many of them every day, and your earnings add up fast. So now for the final summary. Here's how you earn money on Studypool. Method 1, you sell documents, you upload your class notes, old assignments, practice tests, and study material, and you will earn up to $10 per view. Method 2, become a tutor. Answer homework questions and get paid $5 to $40 per answer. Some tutors earn over $7,500 per month. And that's it basically. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.